Hey y'all, Rorree here. Just wanted to do a quick message this morning. Okay, so when I was doing my spiritual work, I was asked to discuss frequencies again and raising your vibration. So I know I've had to work on keeping my vibration high lately. I've been really busy, a lot on my plate. And one of the things that I want to share is that when you feel your vibration or your frequency dropping some, it's important to know for yourself exactly what it takes for you to raise your vibration. So for me, like I didn't sleep well last night and I still have to function through this day. So I was like, what do I like to do that raises my vibration? And one thing that I enjoy, I'm from the DMV, I enjoy go-go music. I'm a music person. I love listening to music, but when my vibration needs to be raised, I will put on my go-go playlist and just dance and bop and sing. And I like a lot of old school go-go, so I might go there. I just got finished listening to Stinky Dink. So those of you from this area, Rickety Raw, y'all know what I'm talking about. Stinky Dink, get Rickety Raw. Okay, so I listen to that. I listen to Hello. Go-go music really helps me raise my vibration. Now, I know a lot of y'all, maybe gospel music helps you raise your vibration. Maybe some of the African spiritual music or Egyptian music or meditations or mantras. One of my go-tos is Deva Premal, or I like Krishna Das. He's another one, the Pilgrim Heart CD that he has. It's very old, but it has always been one of my frequency raisers. And I used to go see him every time he was in the DMV. I used to go see him. He used to be at different festivals. Sometimes he was at UDC and I would always go see him, or I'd go see Deva Premal. They haven't been here lately, at least not to those types of venues, but these are things that I do to raise my frequency and raise my vibration. And you have to know what your thing is, because if you have a moment, you have to know, what do I do to lift myself from that moment? Right now, we're in a place where we have to really focus on raising our frequencies and raising our vibrations and focusing on our desires and refraining from focusing on those things that we do not desire, because right now we are manifesting more easily than before. We're getting to that point where we'll be able to manifest like this, manifest with a thought, manifest without even doing much of anything to manifest those things, whether they be things that we desire or the things that we don't desire. If you focus on them, you will tend to manifest those things that you focus on. So I just wanted to give that one tip to figure out what helps you raise your vibration. It might be a walk in the park. It might be working out, doing some exercise. It might be going to get some coffee. It might be, I don't know what your thing is. You have to figure out what your thing is. So that's all I wanted to leave you with on that note, because I got a lot on my plate, but I had to leave that nugget because I was asked to. We will probably be doing it depends on if my community wants me to go live or not. But if we do go live, we'll be on TikTok tonight, I think 7:30 or 8 o'clock. And I know I was told that I was going to receive some channeled information tonight, so I'm not exactly sure what time, but we may go live, do some readings or something tonight on TikTok. Anyway, see y'all later. I hope you enjoyed this, and figure out what your thing is that helps you raise your vibration. Ashe.